See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. After a very long time of not seeing you, welcome back guys. Evlogini enye guys, bendinqabile. I know. Reason being bendiqashiwe UCT for a contract. UCT run up for most of universities. They run studies and they get to employ contractors for a certain time. So I got a contract of 3 months and iphelile ngoku contract. So I am back guys. For me, I found it very hard to vlog while I'm working, to vlog for you while I'm working. Like, it was so overwhelming. I was always exhausted. I think because umzimba wami ungaqhelanga lanto yovuka ekuseni la 8 to 5, la 8 to 4, umzimba wami ungayiqhelanga guys. So I couldn't. I was like, no, and I was loser in the process. Let me just focus on one thing at a time. But right now I'm back guys, and I just want to open this vlog here. I want to welcome everyone that is new here and say hi to those people. And I'm glad that you found this channel. I hope you're going to enjoy and consider to become the part of our family. And to my returning subbies, welcome back home guys. I am back and I hope kuzoba mnandi guys. I've gained so much weight, and yes guys, I think we're supposed to lose it, but for some reasons I gained so much weight. And yeah, I'm not sure whether it's our color upper level vlog. If not, I don't remember myself making an intro, so it will be just clips before this intro, and then yeah, we're just going to carry on with this vlog. So I'm just here to unbox a few stuff guys that I bought because girl, so this winter I was like, I'm not playing, and I bought some new babies for my kitchen. I bought new gadgets for my kitchen. I want to unbox them with you, even though one of those is already unboxed and I'm already using it. I'll just show you guys. Let me not make this intro long and just jump straight to it. And here I have this beautiful flower guys. I'll show you right here. When I left at UCT, they bought me this flower. It was about a month ago, and this flower is now a month old and still looking nice. I love it so much. I will first start to show you this baby guys. I bought this baby. It's an air fryer, but I've already used it. It is so helpful in my kitchen. It makes my life so easy, and I found myself with no much space that I had to use this desk. The bigger app for my husband to be able to work, and that's our printer. But because of Andina's space a kitchen anymore, so I use that space to keep my coffee machine, my bread bin, and yeah, those kind of stuff there. So yeah guys, this is it. It's currently running on special on Take a Lot. The black one is 2,000. Okay, the one that is on special is the black one. This one is not on special. The black one is on special. It goes for 2,000, and this one, the price still remains, is now 3,000. So you can just get yourself one if you're looking to buy. They still have the special. And we have this excuse my lighting, we have these babies here guys. I have a child, my last born. She suffers a lot from blocked noses and stuff, and when I was doing my research, I found out that the humidifier will help me to fight her fever or whatever that is going on with her. Sometimes she would have a dry cough, so I bought this from Discam. Going to unbox it with you. The reason why it looks like it was open is because it was indeed open when I was at the store, because the only store that had it here in Cape Town was Canal Walk. So I asked them to try it for me because I didn't want to buy something and when I get home it's not working and I had to go back right back there because it's quite far from where I live. And I have this gin here from Old Khaki, and I have this pressure cooker here that I'm just going to unbox it with you. Yeah, let's just be on it. I'm sure you guys won't see me clearly, my face, but what I'm here to do is to unbox these babies. So this is the humidifier. It's a 4-liter humidifier, and here is the manual. This is just a 1-page manual. And this is the action. It's a 4-liter. You put your water in here, and then here you put in your essential oil, and they tested it in the store for me. It's working. So I also used it here at home, by the way. Okay, and I think I'm gonna show you this, guys. When I went to buy this, I was with my friend and we bought some ice creams and Lisa. Do you know those ice creams with the caramel topping? So yeah, I put it on this again. But we're not here for that, and fortunately enough, we still have the slip here for the gin. The gin is Davina. I love Old Khaki gins. So the gin goes for $7.99. It's 800 rand. Yeah. I hope you guys can see. $7.99. I bought it in size 32. They are very nice and good quality. So that's the mistake. So now let's get indoor. Let me get the knife. I kind of feel like I'm forcing this unboxing because I need to use, there was my address here, guys. I teared it off. I feel like I'm forcing this unboxing because I need to use my pressure cooker. I need to make a bit like a dumpling. So I don't want to open it without you. I feel like I've cheated you already with my fryer. Very nice. Let me check if you guys can see. How beautiful. The things that I'm going to make with this. Okay. By the way, when I was reading the reviews from Takealot, this is kinda what we call tricky to use. Guys, it comes with the cooker receipt. Boo, 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 boo. So excited! I didn't know. Look at this. Oh my god, a girl is about to cook for her family. You answer for you. Guys. And this is just a user manual. this. I don't know, guys. To be honest to you, I don't really use this. I don't use this, guys. I don't. Because I always go to YouTube when I want to know how the thing works. Maybe I'm lazy, but I will definitely use this one. I'm going to definitely use this one. Loving it. Okay, the moment of truth. Are you guys ready? Guys, do you understand? I am so much happy. The hearty meals that I'm going to be cooking here. So this is it. Oh, what are the cards and stuff? Oh, yeah. Oh, here's the card. I love the fact that because I don't have a space close to the plug for it, I like the fact that it comes codeless, if I can call it like that. So this is just a card. According to YouTube, this is a spoon when you're cooking so that you don't scratch the actual pot. This is the measuring cup. You need to keep this handy. And this is just a tray when you want to steam your veggies. Yeah. And the size of this is 5 liters. So this is the pot. This is the pot. It's not that big, but I think it will work with my family. Yeah. Yeah, I can also cook the rice here. Because in the CV is written rice. Can you guys see? Yeah. Beautiful. And this is the extra machine. This is the extra machine. You guys can see. Yeah, I'm so much excited. Plastics because just going to wash it and start cooking. Yeah guys, that was it for today. Just wanted to show you these babies. So much happy. I'm so much happy. I'm happy that I finally got this humidifier for my little angels and the pressure cooker. I'm happy that we got ourselves an air fryer because I feel like, guys, it makes life easier. If you can ask me, I don't know why it took me some time before I could actually put my hands on it. So yeah guys, let me see you when I'm doing something interesting. And I saw that some of you have requested that I do vlogs. I shoot while I'm cooking. I'll try to do my best, guys, maybe when I'm using an air fryer or the pressure cooker. Reason being, my kitchen is very small at the moment. It doesn't allow me to vlog while cooking. It gets messy, and I find it not pleasing to watch. I don't know, but you'll be the judge. But when I'm cooking, I cook at the same time I do the dishes. I wash the dishes while cooking because I try to make space to cut stuff and to put the things that I'm using. So I don't know, but I'll just leave it to you to judge. I'll try to do one video of me cooking on the stove and see how it goes. But I've tried that before, it didn't work for me. That's why I'm saying that I will maybe include my cookings when I'm using my pressure cooker, my new pressure cooker, and when I'm using the air fryer, because I think last week I made a meal just using air fryer because I was so lazy that day. I made pork chops for my family. I made some veggies and potato wedges. So it was really delicious. It was so nice and we enjoyed that meal. So that's what I'm going to include you when I'm doing. Other than that, I don't feel confident enough to cook on my kitchen while capturing, because it's just become so messy, guys. It just becomes so messy. It's not aesthetic pleasing to watch. So yeah, we will try and do what works for us. I don't want this video to be long. And guys, and Happy bought me, she just got home and he bought me my favorite cake. So if you want to buy me a cake, a cheesecake or nothing, a cheesecake or nothing, I can't wait to indulge in this, but we'll use it as a dessert. Today is Sunday. Let me just cook my dumpling, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you, I think maybe I'll just show you how, but I still have to figure out how this pressure cooker works, and then yeah, maybe I'll just take a few clips. I'm not yet confident if I'll be able to get it on the first go, but yeah, we'll see how the things are going, and I will show you my dumpling because I've been craving that since I think last weekend, and I'm finally making it today. Okay, see you maybe when we're cooking, or see you on the other day when there's something interesting to do. But today it will be just me chilling and watching some movies. Nothing interesting that I'm looking forward to do. Okay, bye guys.
Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind type? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind type? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I'm right here. Walking away, Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you,
Hi guys, it's another day of this vlog and I'm with the kids. Say hi.
Hello.
Guys, you're ndingunene, ndingumama, ndingumakhulu, ndingumalumekazi, ndingudabs. I'm everything today and I'm with the hubs. Say hi, babe.
Hello, hello.
So we're taking the kids out, guys. So our plan is to just drop them by the games and just leave them, and they will call us as soon as they're done with whatever that they will be doing mall, because we've noticed that abantwana kabesemall bafuna ungena shop to shop, any shop nje any toy phakathi they want in, so we won't be investing our time and doing that with them. Yeah, so we will decide if we're gonna go out and get something to eat while they're busy roaming around the mall, or yeah, but I will take you with. Yeah guys, just wanted to update you. What is the plan for today?
To go play the games,
Yes,
eat,
yes.
and buy a Rubik's Cube. That's all.
And by what?
A Rubik's Cube.
A rim skew.
A Rubik's Cube.
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you excited?
Not actually, because Lerato was a very famous post.
Oh, so Lerato is the sister. Lerato, show your face. Lisa, are you excited? You not? Hello guys. Anaka, are you excited? Blessing, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, girl, yes. Guys, these little people, they have mixed emotions because of their bigger siblings. I don't know what is happening. Maybe
Nanti kalian ice skating.
stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Losing your hands, guess we need a new plan. There's a motel mile down the road. Finally can stand, back then still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know you really love you. Push it to the side, even if
I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay. Okay, which one do you want? Okay, let's check for Barbies.